Hi, welcome to tip number 5. Now, coupling nuts. Why have I got some coupling nuts? Well, they're very good if you want to make up some rudimentary, quick and dirty machinist type jacks. Very useful for supporting work in the bandsaw. Let's say you've got a piece of stock that you want to cut in half in the bandsaw. You put it in and you try and clamp it, and of course the vise is too small. I generally use this large piece of metal to extend the vice jaw. Of course, I then need to pack it out, but this bit of wood, for instance, that I've used in the past is too big. So a nice adjustable screw jack does just the job. There we are. If you've got a long piece of material in the mill, the sort of standard thing that you see people using jacks for, you can just pop that in, wind it up, stabilised work. So there we are. I'm sure there's a million more uses for these, but as a very cheap, very quick way of knocking up a machinist jack, I think that's pretty good. It's a couple of pounds for a bag of 10 of these in England, so I'm sure they're not much different elsewhere. You've probably already got some suitable bolts, or buy the appropriate nuts for your bolts, and there you are. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.